Hello friends, greetings from Iceland. We are filming Volcanic Eruption in Meradalir Valley on August 12th, Friday. We are on the slopes of Meradalahnúkur. There are two boys or some people up there. There is one person down and that's it. 4 people here only on this side right now. But pretty nice view, as you see. You can see the back wall of the crater pretty well. But most of the crowd is on the other side. Can zoom in a little bit. Pretty spectacular show today. And there on the top you can see the old crater, Fagradalsfjall Mountains. There is a small crater here to the front, which is also shooting lava. And all the lava is going to the east right now. It's dropping down from the platform there, which is pretty steep. Lots of lava accumulated in this western part of Meradalir, and it formed a platform, and then you have a fall, some 10 meters fall down there, maybe higher, maybe 20 meters, to the lower Meradalir, to the east. And that's where the lava is going right now, but it can spill here anytime as well, so zoom in even closer. See the people on the other side? How many people are there? We will get even higher to take better footages from the top of the mountain, but it's pretty steep hike here. That mountain over there is a big ram, story router. Went over the wall right now and missed that. Many planes are flying, helicopters, one after one, really, many of them. Anyway, greetings from Iceland. I wish you all the best. Be well.